hope you're doing well. Today I bring you a new unboxing from Zara. Let's open it up. Here. I ordered two things, a blazer and a dress. Ta-da! First, I ordered this blazer. Was quite expensive because it's a new collection. I ordered the size XL. Looks quite big. And also I ordered one piece. The color is butter. Okay, let's try on. This is the blazer. The color is turquoise aquamarine. It's quite expensive, $49.95, and it's made in Spain. Has here another bottom, same color. Dress. I ordered size L. The price was $29.95. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.